Breaking news. Bronze-wing trading signs an agreement with Brazilian buyer for SBLC issuance. A Brazilian buyer decided to import garlic from China. And to conclude this deal, they required standby letter of credit. They contacted Bronze-wing Trading, the SBLC providers in Dubai, with their SBLC request. We analyzed and approved their request for the issuance of SBLC for their garlic import deal. The client visited our office to sign the service agreement and to pay the service charges to initiate the issuance process of SBLC. We were extremely happy and proud to welcome and serve the client from Brazil for their SBLC requirement. Do you require SBLC MT760 to import goods from overseas on credit basis? Submit your requirements now and get SBLC issued from European banks at zero collateral and within 48 hours. Contact us now. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 971-455-19699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.